done and I just have no creativity left in me. Oh, Courtney, can I get...
Oh, Andrea, now I'm counting cardstock. I don't have time right now to help you. 15, 20, 21. It's been raining for days and the humidity is super high. We're never gonna get this stuff to dry in time. 21, 22,
all right. Hercules, I think I'm just gonna go see Nick and Lori in the cardstock room. Maybe they can help me with some creativity.
Lori, can you help me with this last box from the shipment today?
Sure, no
And
problem.
up,
Oh my gosh, it's really
Yeah, they
stinking
packed this one
heavy.
here and-
Oh my gosh.
Ouch! Oh, that was my finger.
Oh, why don't you get it out of the way?
Nick, Lori, what am I gonna do to get out of this creative funk? I can't think of any.
Listen, Andrea, Nick and I have got to get this cardstock accounted for this month's Kit Clubs.
Now look here, Andrea. You ain't using your head about this creativity. Think you didn't have any brains at all.
I have so got brains.
Well, then why don't you use them? When you need to create a design, do something inspirational. Then you won't get into no trouble, see? Your head ain't made out of straw, you know. Ouch!
Listen, are you gonna let this situation get you down? All you have to do is have a little courage. That's all.
Well, I'm not afraid to.
Oh, Andrea, Nick, go help her.
Oh dear, is everything all right?
Well, I fell and Lori, you look just as scared as I was.
What's the matter, Lori? Some boxes make a coward out of ya?
Come on, everyone. You know you have the power in you to get this all done.
enough with the jabber-whopping. There's work to be done.
Oh, come on, Courtney. Have a heart.
You're right, Courtney. Sorry, Andrea. You're gonna have to figure this out on your own. But no worries, okay?
No worries. Do you think no worries is even possible, Hercules? My creativity, it must be somewhere far, far away. Oh, Hercules, it must be somewhere over the rainbow. Hercules, it's a twister! Oh no, it's a twister! Hurry, hurry! Hercules, I don't think we're at the Whole Kit N Kaboodle anymore. We must be somewhere over the rainbow.